Hello everyone, welcome back to Nakshatra Rubiks. Today we are going to learn how to solve this gear cube. Yes, this puzzle in my hand we call it as a gear cube, and these are the gear levers which you can see in the edges of the cube. So then why wasting time? Come on, let's get started and learn how to solve this gear cube. First I'm going to teach you with the turnings. So in 3 by 3 if you want to take one turn, we can directly take a right or left turn like this. This is we call it as one turn, right or left. But in gear cube we cannot take one turn like that. This is not one turn. We have to take two turns to make it as one. See it again. So if you want to turn, you have to turn two times, right or left. Any side you can turn, but you have to turn two times. Even top also you have to turn two times. If you take one turn, we won't be able to take any other turnings because the gear levers will come in between the cube. You can see here. That's why we have to take two turns at a time, and then only we can turn any other layers. Hope you understand this. So now let's shuffle the cube to start. So now the cube is fully shuffled. Let's get started. So we have to start first with the white center on the top and any one white corner on the left hand side. You can take any white corner to the left side. Okay, this is the first thing. So here on my left I have white and green corner, so I have to search for one more white and green corner which is just below it. You can see here the other white and green corner is just below it. I need to get it to the top of the other side. So first I'll twist it to the back side, then directly bring it to the top. Now you can see I have fixed two white and green. I'll show you one more time. The white and green was just below it. Okay, so I'm turning the down layer one time, then I'm bringing it from the opposite side, from the right hand side. You can turn the right layer and fix it. This is the first step. Once two white is fixed, you can see other two whites will be just below it or opposite side. If it is opposite side, you can bring directly to the top. If it is in the same side, you have to take it to the opposite side towards your right side, because I have right side empty on the top. So first let me bring it to my right side and directly take it to the top of the cube. So here all the corners are fixed. So one advantage of gear cube is if we complete the white, the bottom of the yellow will also be automatically completed. You can see here the yellow is also completed. So sometimes you also get one more case where your white corners will be solved, but the centers will be opposite side. For example, it looks like this. So all four white corners are fixed on the top of yellow center. All the yellow four corners will be there in the white center in the bottom. So at that time what you have to do is you have to simply turn the right layer two times so that all corners and the centers will get matched exactly. Once white and yellow is completed, next we have to go and complete the other colors. So now on the top I have blue. I'm turning the right layer. By chance my all other color got completed automatically. You can see here red is also completed, green is also completed, orange is also completed, and all are already matching with its exact centers by chance. Okay, sometimes it won't be matching. I'm also going to teach the other case for your reference. So here you can see white and yellow is completed. All the corners of other color is matching, but the center is not matching with the corners. So when you get this case, so all the corners are same but the center is not same. So you can take any center on the top, just hold the cube in two hands and keep turning your right layer few times, just one or two times is enough. When you turn the right layer for 2-3 times, then the centers will automatically match all the sides. You can see it, all the centers and corners of the cube is already matching. After matching all the 6 colors, corners and centers, next step is to match the edges of all the colors. So here you can see the edges has been swapped from other sides. So we have to match the edges properly to its colors. So here you can see the red and blue center, but the edge we have is red and green. We need the red and blue edge. So we have to swap this with the proper edge. We need red and green here, but we have red and blue here. Both are opposite to each other. So we have to always swap the edges one opposite to each other. Red and green we need here in front of us, and red and blue we have to send it to the back side. So we have to hold the cube in such a position where we can swap it opposite to each other. So the algorithm for swapping opposite edges goes like this. You are 2 times you have to turn. You have to take right layer 2 times. Okay, then again you top layer goes 1 time. 1 time means you have to take 2 times at a time, that is 1. Okay, or 2 times, right layer 2 times. Yes. So here you can see the edge we have swapped red and blue with red and green. We got red and green in front of us and red and blue to the back side. So like this you have to keep the edges one opposite to each other, and you have to swap by using the algorithm UR2 UR2. Let me show you one more edge which need to be swapped. Okay, so yes, let's search for the edges which are exactly opposite to each other. Here you can see we need blue and white here, but we have blue and yellow which should go to opposite side. Here we have blue and white, so we can swap this blue and yellow and blue and white together using the same algorithm UR2. Okay, again UR2. So here it's swapped. Blue and yellow, blue and white has been swapped. So like this you have to swap all the edges by keeping one opposite to each other by using the given algorithm. Once the edges are all swapped and in its proper position, the cube somewhat looks like this. The edges which are twisted, you should not worry about those edges because we are going to correct it by using one more formula which I am going to teach you now. So first thing, you have to fix the edges in its position. Should not worry about the twisted edges. In the next step, by keeping all the edges which are twisted in one line and apply the formula. Formula is very simple. You have to simply turn your right layer 4 times so that all other edges will get adjusted to the cube position. So like this. Again see one more time. All edges you have to keep like this and hold the cube in one hand and just simply turn your right layer 4 times. That's all. All edges has been fixed. You can see the cube has been solved. So again here you will get one more twist after completing the cube, where you will be finding these middle colorful pieces won't get solved. Even though cube is solved, these 4 colorful pieces will not be solved. So when you get this case, first you have to find the 4 different colors. You won't get different colors all the sides. You will be having 4 different colors in any one side. So you have to find that 4 different color pieces and you have to keep it in front of you. This is the first step. Remember, the 4 different colors should be in front of you. Okay? And then hold the cube in 2 hands. By moving your right layer, use this algorithm. Okay? R, U, R, U, and then again R, U. Turn your cube very slowly. This is a gear levers which will come in between. You have to keep turning R, U, R, U, R, U, and your cube will get solved. That's all. If you get any other doubt, any other concerns regarding this cube, you can comment me in the comment section. I'll get back to you with the answers. Hope you all like my video. Please like, share and subscribe so that I can come back with more such videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.